James Comey, the man Trump fired as FBI director, has released a statement detailing his conversations with the president, in which Comey says President Trump put him in situations that concerned him greatly.
He had called me at lunchtime that day and invited me to dinner that night. It was unclear from the conversation who else would be at the dinner, although I assumed there would be others. It turned out to be just the two of us.
I didn't move, speak, or change my facial expression in any way during the awkward silence that followed. We simply looked at each other in silence.
The last person to leave was Jared Kushner, who also stood by my chair and exchanged pleasantries with me. The president then excused him, saying he wanted to speak with me.
The president says, quote, "I have been very loyal to you, very loyal. We had that thing, you know."